Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn how to utilize the TrueSize.com website. It can be accessed in your browser by going to thetruesize.com. The link will be in the description below. This is a great tool to see accurate country size and its representation against other country sizes in a visually appealing manner. Whenever we look at maps, we have to keep in mind that every map is going to be distorted because we take a 3D shape, which is the world or the globe, and stretch it. So the more north you go or the more south you go, country sizes become more distorted, specifically on the Mercator projection map. So how to use this after you get to the website, you will go over to this little search box right here where it says the true size of, and you can type in any country, state, province, or territory and compare it to other countries or land masses to see the actual country representation size in comparison. So next week, we're moving on to the South America unit. A country in South America that we could look at is Brazil. So we're going to type Brazil in the search bar, and we will go ahead and just click the auto-fill caption, and then Brazil pops up highlighted. If you hover over it highlighted, it shows the total square miles, and some countries will tell you a fact. For instance, Brazil is the largest country in South America and in the Southern Hemisphere. To compare Brazil to, let's say, the United States, which is in North America, we can click Brazil and hold the mouse and bring it up to the United States to compare it to the land size. So as you can see, Brazil is actually pretty big. Let's go ahead and look at a state. Since we are in Oklahoma, let's go ahead and search Oklahoma. Oklahoma pops up, and you can hover over it as well. A comparable country size is Cambodia, which is something I did not know. So if we compare Oklahoma over the Yucatan Peninsula, you can see that Oklahoma seems a lot bigger than it does on typical maps. And if you want to completely restart your search, you can hit clear map, and all of the highlighted country goes away, and you are free to search for other countries. On the right-hand corner of the top of the screen, there is a plus and minus sign that allows you to zoom in and out of the map. This is a pretty simple tool to use, and it has a lot of great components that I can't wait to discuss next week. If you have any questions or need help with the tool, feel free to contact me. And I'm very excited to start this new unit.